this video, we're going to look at animating SOLIDWORKS and motion studies in SOLIDWORKS. First off, we will have a look at the animation. We'll just watch this through first. So during this animation, we saw the assembly collapse on itself and explode, showing us every individual part and where each part goes. We also saw rotation of the object. If we go into the settings, we can see where all this comes from. On the left here, we have all of the parts, and on the right we have what each part is doing at whatever time we specified. On the top we have the camera orientation. If I pan across, we can see where the camera is orientated at each one of these points. The black line in the middle represents the transition from one to the other. All of these other points are how quickly and how far each part is moving in the explosion and the collapse. We can now rewatch and see the timeline in action. Another feature in SOLIDWORKS is basic motion. With this, we can add a motor to a part on this board and make it all interact. Using this tab, the contact, we can add relations and we can add contacts between each individual part on the board. If we press play, we'll see what I mean by this. We can do simple things like increase the speed of the motor and see what type of tolerances we have as this object rotates. This can be very useful for showing a student what their project will do once it is fully made. Much like the animation, we can change the view by adding in keys to this line. All of the other information is done automatically through the animation wizard. In here we can add model rotations, explode, collapse, and we can also do other basic motion.